Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. If your thumbnail doesn't get clicks, your video is already dead no matter how good it is. In this video, I'll show you how to use Claude AI to create high CTR thumbnail ideas that instantly grab attention and boost clicks. So you gotta head over to Claude, open any chat and paste this into Claude. Act as a YouTube thumbnail expert, create high CTR thumbnail ideas for a video about making money online. For each idea, include short text, max 3 to 4 words, visual concept, and the emotion or curiosity trigger. Focus on making them bold, simple, and highly clickable. Claude will generate multiple thumbnail concepts, so look for ideas that are simple, easy to understand at a glance, and create curiosity or strong emotion. Avoid anything cluttered. High CTR thumbnails are usually clean and focused. Then take the best idea and design it in tools like Canva or Photoshop. Use big text, clear visuals, and strong contrast so it stands out on the YouTube homepage. That's how you use Claude AI to create thumbnails that actually get clicks, not just look good, but make people stop and watch. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.